Well, good morning. We're out in Patio Road this right now, and I'm going to harvest some of my Scotch Bonnet peppers so that I can make powder out of them later on. I'm going to dehydrate them, well, roast them first, and then dehydrate them, and then grind them up into powder. Overall, this is good to make the pepper. I wish I would have had some more ripened ones, but this will do. So I'm going to go inside and wash them, and then cut them in half, clean them up, put them on a cookie sheet, and put them up under my broiler for about 5 minutes before I put them in the dehydrator. I forgot to connect my audio for the remainder of the video, so I will be doing a voiceover. Here I'm explaining the dehydrator that I will be using. Is a Presto brand. I got it off of Amazon. I believe it was $49, $50. It has 4 levels, and in this demonstration I'm using 2. I place the peppers onto 2 of the levels completely and cover and start it up. Okay, I'm disconnecting it from the cord and making myself comfortable. I'm going to take the peppers and put them into this blender. This particular blender does not make a fine powder. It's more like a coarse powder, but it'll work. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. Okay, I'm still gathering up the peppers. I'm almost finished with the first tray, and then I'll be moving to the second tray. Okay, we're at the second tray. It's not as many on the second tray as the first tray, so the process is moving quicker. Okay, all the peppers have been placed into the blender. I'm moving the dehydrator out of the way and connecting the blender to the outlet, and then I'm going to start grinding the peppers. Okay, the blender is running and seems to be processing it pretty smoothly. Okay, in a few moments you'll see me turn the blender upside down. Because the peppers were still hot when I put them into the blender, when I'm grinding them up, they will stick to the blades. So I shake them up to shake the machine up to make sure that the powder isn't sticking. Okay, here's the finished product. It's coarse, not as fine as I would have liked it to be, but it will work for me for my purposes. I'm going to pour it into a ball jar And I've placed a little rice inside the jar. Will help with the moisture. When I get ready to make spice blends or to use the pepper in general, I can use measuring spoons. So overall, I'm happy with what I got. I want to thank you for coming along with me today on this journey, watching me harvest Scotch Bonnet peppers and dehydrate them in order to make powder. The process itself really isn't that hard. It's a little time consuming, but I hope you got something out of it. If you did, that's fantastic. I want to take this time to have you consider subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you don't subscribe, consider hitting the like button. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you do subscribe, don't forget to